Every year at the Bear Factory, we have new sustainability initiatives that we like to focus on as a business. This year's initiative is called Project Inspire, with the goal of inspiring you on what you can do within your business to become a greener operation. Today, we're focusing on how simple decisions can actually be sustainable ones within your business, in particular when it comes to machinery. Our forklift that we've been using for the last 20 years has finally seen the last of its days. So we are presented with an opportunity. Do we look at getting a new high-low, or do we look at a refurbished one? Today we're here at Andersen Material Handling to learn about their refurbishment program.
We very thoroughly go into the equipment. We try to meet or exceed OE specifications at all times. We strive to get a machine that you can't tell apart from a brand new one except for a sticker.
Product life cycle means a whole lot to us here at Andersen. Your new truck will average about 5 to 7 years life expectancy. We take that old truck and instead of sending it to the scrapyard or the dump yard, we give that truck a second life. And we extend that life expectancy by double. So you get another 5 to 7 years out of that truck. On average, we are saving about 325 trucks a year from going to that dump. And that is about 890 tons that we're keeping out of the dump and putting it back into the workforce.
What we particularly liked about the Andersen ReNewed process was the extension of the product life cycle on the unit. This particular unit was first formed and built in 2017, served a 12-month time span in a manufacturing for automotive facility. It then went over to a rental fleet line, and now is going to have a third life here at the Bear Factory for 10 or more years, which is something that we're really proud of.